3-inch. They've got a high-end sound, high fidelity, and if you're working in a studio and you need perfect sound, exact playback, exactly how it went in, you want to hear it almost like you've got the most high-end headphones around, these Dyna.Studio speakers are the ones for you. Now, because I'm a music guy, you've seen all around the studio, you've seen Johnny Cash, Jimi Hendrix, you've seen me with the keyboard, and you've seen me with the guitar. Well, today I wanted to go old school and pull out some of my favorite records from the collection. I need to put these up on the wall somewhere in the studio. And we need to play, I'm so excited about this. We're going to play my old records while we do this. We're gonna play Smokey and the Bandit first. I'm gonna show you some other records. So stick around to the end of the video. This is your hook to stay long and enjoy this, but you're gonna wanna pick up these incredible acoustic speakers. Let's kick it off right about now.